Hi.
Assalamualaikum.
We are from Khawarizmi.
Today we will present
The selected questions for our SCL. And without wasting any time, let's start.
So for the question number 4, there are 4 sub-questions, which is A, B, C, and D. So for the question A, the question was asked us to describe the population of interest. So firstly, I need to tell the definition of the population. So population is a collection or a set of individuals, objects, or events whose properties are to be analyzed. And for this question, the population of interest is 3,727 small businesses. So we move on to the question B. Question B is to describe the sample that was collected. So a sample is a subset of a population, and the sample that was collected in this question is the responses that they were obtained. So the sample that was collected is 2,821 businesses. Next, the question asks us to describe a parameter of interest. So firstly, parameter is a numerical value summarizing all the data of an entire population. And the parameter of interest for this question is to know the percentage of business surveyed. And last but not least, the question asks to describe the statistic used to estimate the parameter based on the question C. So statistic is a numerical value summarizing the sample data, and the statistic that is used to estimate the parameter. And for this question, the statistic is the percentage of regular sales with other Singaporean businesses is 90.1%. Percentage that they had sold products or services abroad is 57.1%. The percentage of businesses employment less than 30 people is 61.3%, and the percentage of businesses that want to sell their business is 61.3%. So that's all from me. I'm going to pass the baton to the next presenter. Thank you.
So for question 11, the following data shows the number of minutes spent to complete the task. Construct a stem and leaf table for the data. So first of all, we can solve this question by listing down the numbers according to its stem. So we can get the stem by the first digit of each number. So from this number, I've got the stem which is 2, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. So after listing down the numbers according to its stem, I can make a stem and leaf table. So by making stem and leaf table, we can solve this question, and we can obtain the leaf by seeing the second digit of each number. For example, number 23, the stem is 2 and the leaf is 3. So we can repeat this method for all the number, and we can make a stem and leaf table.
Okay, the mean of 5, 10, 26, 30, 45, 32, S and Y is 25, where S and Y is constant. So the question A is if the mode is 26, find the value of S and Y. So we know mean 25, mode 26. So if we see the data given 5, 10, 26, 30, 45 and 32, there is no mode here. So if the information given mode is 26, so we can assume either X or Y can be 26. So we rearrange, we find the value of X from the formula of mean. So 25 equal to 5 plus 10 plus 23 until plus plus 30, plus 45, plus 32, plus S, and plus 26. We divided by X. So we can get X equal to 26. So we know the value of X and Y is 26. Okay, for the question B, we know the information given is X equal to 16. So we can find the median. Okay, from the data given, we just substitute X equal to 16 and we can get the value of Y. So Y is 36. Then we rearrange again the data given from lower value to higher value, like 5, 10, 16, 26, 30, 32, 36, and 45. So to get the median, we must take the value in the middle of the data given. So we know the median is here. So between 26 and 30. So the median is how to get the median? We plus 26 plus 30 divided by 2. So we can get 28. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
This question is about there is a survey of the number of passengers on a car, and due to the carelessness, two of the number in the table are unreadable, and we need to find those values which are X and Y. The question gives us the value of mean and the standard deviation. So the first thing that will come to my mind is we need to do simultaneous equation. Alright, so look in the book and we need to find the right formula for mean and the standard deviation. Okay, then we need to look at the formula, what details are needed but still not in the question. For example, in mean formula, there is fx, the total of fx. So we need to form a table consists of x, f, fx, and due to the standard deviation formula, we need to have the total of fx squared too. So in the table, we include the fx squared. Whenever we want to substitute the details, the value I mean, it is easier for us because everything are in the table, right? Okay. And I believe that you know how to substitute the value with careful. Then we will get the value for x and y, which are x equal to 4 and y equal to 7. And if we want to recheck, we can resubstitute in mean formula, and if we get the exact value like in the question, then our value are right. That's all from me. Thank you.
Given the mean is 2.6, the question asks for P. So, by using the formula that we have learned before, which is mean equals to x bar equals to summation of frequency times x divided with summation of f. So, we insert the value into the formula and set the P as a subject since the question asks for P. So, after we calculate, we get that P equals to 2. Next, the question asks for mode of the given data. So, when we look at the table, this table, we see that the highest frequency is 7, which is same row as x equals to 3. So, the mode is 3. Thank you. That's all from us.
Thank you.
And Assalamualaikum.